Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Active Directory Security Group Import feature. Currently, Currentware has the ability to sync your organization's Active Directory and pull in your existing organizational units. We are now expanding this synchronization to allow import and synchronization based on security groups. To perform this sync, you'll need to navigate to the Tools menu on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, select the Import Users feature. Once you are here, under Action, you're going to want to select AD Security Group Import and Sync. After this, you will need to add your domain's name, username, and password to connect your domain. Once you've synced your Active Directory, any existing security groups that you have within your domain will show up on the right-hand side. You can search for these groups by keyword, by name, or if you see the group that you wish to add, select the checkbox next to it, hit the Next button, and you'll see a display and a preview of which users are associated with which group. And after this, you can hit Finish to import them to your Currentware setup. An important thing to note is that depending on the Active Directory setup, a single user may be a part of multiple security groups. So in the case of Gavin here, he is a member of 3 different security groups. If I were to have added all of these 3 groups separately and wanted to import them, I would be given the option to basically set a priority. Meaning, if I want Gavin to enter the server admins folder, I would place that at the top of the priority list. And you can see on the right-hand side where the preview is, you can see that Gavin will be placed into the server admins group because this was what was given priority. Then you will hit Finish, and they will be added to the Currentware setup. Once you have successfully synchronized your Active Directory security groups, there are some new icons to represent the current sync status. If the group folder that you have added is currently empty, it'll show up as white within the Manage tab. If there are users associated with the group, it'll show up as colored in. And then the little bubble next to the folder represents the current status of the sync. Green means that it is currently synced, and red means that it is not synced currently.